You are about to begin a 5 minutes mindful breathing practice. Begin by establishing yourself in a comfortable sitting position. Keep your back upright, and rest your hands palmed down on your thighs or knees, wherever they fall most naturally for you. Close your eyes, or if you prefer, keep them open, and direct your gaze downwards, with a soft focus, about 1.5 meters ahead of you. Allow yourself this time to let go of your doing mode, and let yourself enter a mode of just being. Take a moment to get in touch with the physical sensations in your body. Become aware of the contact points of your body, both on your seat and where your hands are resting. Let your awareness enter your body and rest there. As you practice, your mind may become distracted. Your mind may wander and focus on sounds around you, or thoughts that enter your mind, or emotions you feel, or physical body sensations. Remind yourself, this is normal, and simply something that minds do. Just notice where your mind has wandered off to, and gently but firmly without judgment, bring your attention back to your mindful breathing practice. And now, focus your attention on your breath. Become fully aware of breathing in this moment. Feel your in-breath as it moves into your body. And feel your out-breath as it moves out of your body. Notice the slight stillness between each in-breath and each out-breath. And now, move your awareness to the sound of your breathing. Pay attention to the sound of your breathing, just as it is. No need to force or control your breath in any particular way. Simply listen to the sound your breath makes during expansion in your body, on your in-breath, and contraction in your body on your out-breath. And now, move your attention to your physical sensations of breathing. Maybe notice the air brushing lightly against the insides of your nostrils as you breathe in. Feel your chest expand as air is drawn down into your lungs. Become aware of the changing patterns of sensation in your abdomen as your breath moves further down into your body, and then starts to move out from your body as you breathe out. And now, as your practice comes to an end, see if you can maintain some sense of mindfulness as you go about your day. Take comfort in the knowledge that every time your mind wanders, you can return to awareness by anchoring yourself through mindful breathing.